Everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing another lipstick review by MAC Cosmetics, and this is another video I'm going to show you and another 3 best shades by MAC. So let's get started. So here I have a box of MAC lipsticks in which you get 3 lipsticks, and the name of this kit is Kiss of Magic Lip Kit, and in this you get 3 shades. So I'm going to show you one by one. So in this pack you get these 3 shades in which you have a lighter shade and then nude shade and the red shade. So 3 shades are here, and I'm going to begin with the lighter shade first, and I want to show you how it looks. So the first shade is this one, and the name of the shade is Devoted to Chili Powder Kiss Matte Lipstick, and this is how it looks, and I'm going to swatch this on my hand first. So it's a really nice nude brown shade, and I'm going to try this on my lips.
And it glides on your lips like a butter, and it's super creamy with all day hydration. And the formula of this lipstick is really comfortable. It blurs the lines and smoothens your lips.
So with the one swipe you get a perfect natural nude shade color.
Look at this beautiful shade, guys. I am in love with this color. This shade suits me a lot, and I like to apply it on daily basis.
Now the next shade in this pack which I am going to introduce is this one, and the name of this shade is Bated Breath, and it says Love Me Lipstick, and I want to show you how it looks. So this is a darker brown color, and I want to swatch this on my hand first so you can see the difference, the lighter one and this is the darker one. So I'm going to apply this.
This lipstick shade has a satin matte finish, and it's a lightweight, supremely comfortable formula, and feels instantly and continuously moisturized throughout the day with nourishing and conditioning. This is another beautiful dark brown shade, and you can apply this for daily wear for a natural lip shade color.
Now the third and the final shade, and this is one of my favorite matte lipstick, and this is from a retro matte collection, and this was the first shade which was introduced by MAC, and this is really, it's like a gem for them. So I'm going to try this one, and I want to swatch this on my hand. So it's a perfect retro matte red shade, and it's Ruby Woo, as you all know the name of this one. So I'm going to try this one.
This retro matte Ruby Woo shade has a non-drying formula and a perfect matte rich color, and it's specially for bold makeup looks. So if you're looking to create a bold makeup look, then you can go for this color. Gives you a perfection, and also you can apply this using a brush for to be more precise. Ruby Woo is MAC Cosmetics' most iconic red lipstick. It's a retro matte formula, delivers a highly pigmented matte finish with minimal to no shine, and was inspired by original matte lipstick formula, and that's why it is so popular among the all lipsticks range from MAC Cosmetics, and I personally like this a lot. I am in love with this color. Also perfect for Valentine makeup look.
So this kit which I have shown you in this video, you can buy this kit online on the website on www.maccosmetics.com. Also you can purchase from Nykaa, and in case if you want to buy an individual shade, you can go to a store and then you can try the shade on yourself, and it's better to buy after trying it on your skin type, on your skin tone first, and then it's better to apply because it looks different on every individual skin type. So these were the three shades I have shown you: the lighter brown, the darker brown, and the perfect red shade. And the best part about these lipsticks are these lipsticks just glides on your lips, like it goes very smooth and natural like a butter. So you don't have to retouch up and reapply it again and again, and it goes so smooth and gives you a perfect moisture and soft and creamy richness on your lips. So these were the three lipsticks which I have shown you in this video. And the best part about these lipsticks are they are super creamy and super highly pigmented. Like with the one swipe and the one swatch, you get a perfect color. So you don't have to retouch up. And my favorite out of these one is this one. So this is one of my favorite shade which I like to apply when I go to office or for my work. This is a perfect everyday shade. And also this one is soft matte. And the second one which I showed you, this dark brown shade, this is actually a creamy shade. This is not a perfect matte shade, so this is like has some moisture in it. And the last one is again a range from retro matte, so perfect red color. If you want to apply a perfect red color like for a bold makeup look, you can go with this one, this red shade, Ruby Woo. And I hope you guys enjoyed with this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching this video. Bye. Take care.